The sixth edition of the International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure has begun today in New Delhi and will continue till tomorrow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said it is important to invest in resilient infrastructure for a better tomorrow. While addressing the sixth International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure via a video message, Modi highlighted that while disasters are often measured in monetary terms, their true toll is felt by individuals, families and communities.
Resilience of infrastructure. Friends, nature and disasters have no borders. In a highly interconnected world, disasters and disruption cause widespread impact. The world can be resilient collectively only when each country is resilient individually. The damage they cause is usually reported in dollars, but their true impact on people, families, and communities is beyond just numbers.